Hey tech enthusiasts, did you hear about this breakthrough in AI technology making waves on Reddit? It's all about a new open source library that helps developers build amazing machine learning models faster than ever. So, what exactly does this mean for you? Imagine using a tool that simplifies the process of training AI systems. This new library is designed to be user-friendly, even for beginners. Think of it like a recipe book for AI. It provides straightforward instructions and pre-prepared ingredients to whip up powerful models without needing to be a programming wizard. Why does it matter? Well, with AI becoming central to everything from apps to smart home devices, having easily accessible tools means more innovation and creativity. You could start creating your own AI solutions without diving deep into complex coding, opening a world of possibilities. Here's the kicker. By using this library, you'll not only save time, but also join a growing community of developers eager to share their experiences and improvements. Remember, the key is to experiment and explore. Don't be afraid to tinker. So, if you're considering dipping your toes into AI development, this is your golden opportunity. Check it out and get inspired to build something awesome. This is today's tech update for July 30th, 2025.